Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. Kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe sa channel, pahit na lang ng subscribe button, notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko po lahat ng likes, comments, and share. So, again, this is for Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter, Virgos. Past, present, future tayo, guys. Okay, you do have here the King of Cups, Two of Cups, Eight of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, and the Five of Pentacles. Kunin natin yung present. Present moment, you do have here the Ten of Wands, Six of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, the Hierophant, and then the Sun. And then, for the future, what will happen for Virgos in the near future? Wait lang, guys. For the future, meron tayo ditong King of Pentacles, Seven of Cups, Eight of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, Three of Swords, and the Eight of Swords. And then you do have here the Queen of Cups. Okay, bali tatlong Queen yung nagpakita and dalawang King. Sa major arcana, ang nagpakita lang is the Sun. Okay. Sa nakikita natin in the past, maybe there's a situation here, partnership, friendship, or maybe even a relationship para sa iba, na pwedeng there's love, pero, you know, pwedeng relationship wherein naramdaman mo yung feeling na parang ikaw ay kailangan mo nang lagyan ng bakod yung sarili mo, like boundaries with regards sa ibang tao, no? Yung iba sa inyo, pwede nagkaroon ka na ng karelasyon, so hindi na pwedeng i-open up ang sarili mo sa iba. And I'm seeing also a person here with the Queen of Pentacles energy, someone na very stable, kaya lang nagkaroon ng problem with regarding sa pera. Okay? With the King of Cups, nakita natin yung acceptance mo sa kung ano yung situation mo. Okay, hindi ka makaalis sa isang sitwasyon, you are, sabihin na natin, trapped sa isang sitwasyon, hindi ka makaalis, pero natutunan mong mahalin, tanggapin yung sitwasyon na yan. With regards sa yung present moment, I can see you being happy. Being happy dahil pwedeng kung ano man itong lesson na natututunan mo ngayon, nakikita natin na nagugustuhan mo kung ano yung mga natututunan mo. So, you are happy, you are contented. With the Six of Pentacles, pagdating sa relationship, nakikita natin yung pagtutulungan. Nakikita natin na may mga obligasyon ka na pinipilit mong kayanin, hindi mo binibitawan. You could also be a teacher, or currently meron kang mga tinuturuan, or may mga tinutulungan, or may mga binibigyan ng advice regarding sa mga bagay na alam mo. And masaya ka sa ginagawa mo na yon. Maybe you are inspiring people. Kahit hindi mo alam yun na nakaka-inspire ka. May mga taong nai-inspire ka dahil dito sa ginagawa mo. The Six of Pentacles, this is showing as you, may ugali kang charitable na tao. Mapagbigay ka as much as possible, ibinibigay mo kung ano meron ka kahit minsan wala nang matira sa'yo, basta may maibigay ka. In a way, hindi ka naman nagyayabang, pero alam mo yun, ngayon tinatry mo ng balansehin yun, yung parang mapagbigay akong tao, pero ngayon pwedeng kung ano lang talaga yung kaya kong ibigay. Kailangan isipin ko rin yung sarili ko, isipin ko rin kung kumbaga tama lang, 'di ba? Kung magbibigay ka, pero iniisip mo na rin ngayon ang sarili mo. No, dahil kasi pag ikaw naman ang nawalan, wala namang kumbaga wala ka namang hihingian or wala ka namang walang ibang tutulong sa sarili mo kundi ikaw. So, ang energy mo dito, kung ano lang talaga yung kaya, hindi mo na ipipilit kung alin yung mga hindi kaya. Okay? So, the sun is here, you are actually shining. You are acting as a child na parang eager to learn and focusing on positivity. Yun ang ginagawa mo ngayon. Okay? So, in the future, there's this King of Pentacles. This is you in the future na pwedeng may mga bagay kang gugustuhin mong makuha. No? So, dahil gusto mong makuha itong mga bagay na ito, you will push yourself. You will focus on growing, focus on money. Okay, yung iba sa inyo, dahil dito, you will work hard. Although alam nating workaholic ka talaga, overwork ka talaga minsan. But then, mas mauobliga ka na maging ganito, na i-push yung limits mo pagdating sa pagtatrabaho. Dahil in the future, may mga bagay kang gustong ma-achieve or makuha. The Queen of Wands, there's another person in the future who is nakikita nating nalulungkot, no? This person is jealous. This person is someone na parang nasasaktan. So, in the future, there's a connection wherein may masasaktan. Yeah, as you can see, this is the Queen of Wands, and then ito yung feelings niya, yung emotions niya. The Three of Swords and the Nine of Swords. Ngayon, ika-clarify natin. Bakit nasasaktan itong si Queen of Wands? You do over the Six of Swords and the Devil. I'm feeling like this is a person na nag-a-admire sa'yo. Pero parang feeling niya kasi hindi siya welcome sa iyo. And I feel like if you are currently in another relationship, no? Eto, dalawa yung nakukuha ko. Kung ikaw ay nasa isang relasyon, itong taong to in the future, pwedeng ma-realize niya kung ano yung nawala sa kanya. And this person would feel jealous, no? Dahil parang wala siyang choice kundi hayaan kang umalis or lumayo or hayaan kang angkinin ng iba. And yeah, the Lovers is here, tapos followed by the Queen of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. These are like two people na involved sa isang sa tatlong person na involved sa relationship. So maybe at love triangle or dalawang tao na maaaring nagkakagusto sa'yo. But nakikita natin sa si Queen of Wands na nagpaparaya. But this would cause this person a lot of heartbreak, a lot of pain. Masasaktan talaga siya Kasi nakikita natin na maaaring wala siyang choice kundi ibigay, magparaya. You know what I mean? And tell me about this. Yeah, the Strength card is here, and the Eight of Swords and the Knight of Wands. Remember, this is you with the Eight of Swords na pwedeng in the past could be stuck sa isang situation. I can see the Knight of Wands coming. This is like the knight and shining armor. So maybe if you are in a situation na hindi maganda, or maybe a relationship, kasi the way I see this, nandito tayo sa reading na parang part ng relationship and love. And yung strength card, maybe matibay na relasyon or connection. Pero kahit paanong tibay at hirap makawala dyan, dadating talaga to si Knight of Wands para i-save ka sa kung anumang connection or relationship na hindi maganda for you. Especially ang taong isang kakonect mo dito is the devil, which is someone na nagmamanipulate sa'yo. And maaaring tell me about this Knight of Wands. I feel like the Knight of Wands is so eager na makuha kung ano yung gusto niya. Yeah, the world. And the Two of Wands. Nakakita tayo ng mga pagpaplano dito kay Knight of Wands towards you. Guys, sa part na ito, hindi na lahat makaka-relate. Of course, yung iba kasi wala namang ibang kakonect. No? But this specific reading, meron tayong nakikitang message. Maaaring konti lang yung makaka-relate dito. But then, take only what resonates. Yun nga, may nakikita tayong pagpaplano regarding the Knight of Wands para mawala yung separation or yung pagkakalayo sa inyong dalawa. This is for the future. And ano ang magiging ending nito? Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Actually, hindi naman ako dapat maggagawa ng love reading ngayon. Pero sabi ko sa'yo kung ano yung lalabas dito. You do have here the Ten of Wands and the Chariot and the Queen of Cups and the Emperor. Clarify the Queen of Cups. No. Clarify the Ten of Wands. You do have here the Page of Pentacles and the Four of Pentacles. You do have here the Three of Swords at the bottom of the deck. So, nakikita natin nga ito na there's a possibility of a third-party connection in the future. Ngayon, yung third person, sabihin natin third party, or yung third person kasi siya lumalabas siya. Nakikita natin, the third person is the Emperor. Someone who is cold, someone na parang walang pakialam, but there's a lot of love here with the Queen of Cups. 'Di ba? So, iisang tao to eh. Ngayon, itong person na ito is the Chariot. May pagsugod na gagawin itong person na to. No? Kasi nakikita kanyang nahihirapan or nakikita niya na parang, I told you, you are the Ten of Wands. So, pinipilit mong kayanin yung mga sitwasyon, obligasyon mo ngayon. But then this person, possible na willing na siyang tumulong kung ano man itong nararanasan mo na ito. With the Page of Pentacles, nakikita natin yung pagpapahalaga sa iyo nitong person nito. And with the Four of Pentacles, maaaring tinatago niya lang yan or hindi siya nagiging open down. But anyway, gagawin ng paraan itong si Queen of Cups. At you see, you do have here the Queen of Cups at the bottom of the deck. Same person siya to na pwedeng with the Knight of Pentacles, mag-offer siya ng something sa'yo or sa family mo with the Eight of Wands para makuha tong the Star, which is yung gusto niya or yung pangarap niya, which is ikaw yun. You do have the Strength card. Nakikita natin na hindi rin basta-basta yung connection niyo nitong person na to. Kung hindi basta-basta yung connection mo dun sa isa, hindi rin basta-basta ang connection mo dito. So, actually, nasa sayo yung desisyon kung alin doon or sino doon ang pipiliin mo. But definitely, the Queen of Cups is going to come into your life para maging parte ulit ng buhay mo. So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.